In this video, I'll guide you through how to recover your Microsoft to-do list. If you've accidentally deleted a task or a whole list and you're worried it's gone for good, don't panic. As long as it was linked with your Microsoft account, there's a good chance you can bring it back using Outlook on the web. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to outlook.com. This is Microsoft's web-based mail and calendar service, and it's also where deleted Microsoft To-Do items can often be found. Sign in with the same Microsoft account you use for Microsoft To Do. This is important. If you have multiple accounts like personal and work accounts, make sure you're using the one that's connected to the tasks you lost. Once you're signed in, you'll land in your Outlook inbox. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a list of folders such as Inbox, Drafts, Sent Items, and so on. Scroll through this list until you find the folder called Deleted Items. This folder is where Outlook stores messages and some related items that you've removed, and it can also contain deleted tasks that originated from Microsoft To Do. Click on Deleted Items to open it. When the Deleted Items folder loads, you may see a long list of emails and other content. What you're looking for specifically are items that have a task icon. This icon usually looks like a small clipboard, a check mark, or something similar, depending on your current Outlook theme. These task items are what Microsoft To Do uses behind the scenes to store your tasks. Take your time and scroll through the list carefully. If you remember the approximate date you deleted the task, that can help you narrow things down because the folder is typically sorted by date. You might also use the search bar at the top of Outlook to search for a keyword from the task's title or description. This can make it much easier to locate the task, especially if you have a lot of deleted items. Once you spot an item that has the task icon and looks like the task or list entry you're trying to recover, move your mouse over it and right-click. A small menu will appear with several options. From that menu, select Restore. Choosing Restore tells Outlook to move that task out of deleted items and put it back where it originally came from. After you restore it, give Microsoft To Do a moment to sync, then open the Microsoft To Do app or refresh the web version if you're using it in a browser. Navigate to the list where the task originally lived, or check your general task views like Tasks or Planned. The recovered item should now appear again, just as it did before you deleted it. If you don't see the task right away, double check that you restored the correct item and that you're signed in with the same account in both Outlook and Microsoft To Do. Also, keep in mind that very old deleted items may be permanently removed after a certain time, depending on your account settings. That's all you need to do to recover a Microsoft To Do list or task from Outlook.com using the deleted items folder.